Hi everyone! Today we're going to talk about artificial intelligence. In China, there's a university where cameras are installed in classrooms. So if any student sits in class and starts playing games on their phone, or even searches Google, Amazon, or anything else, the system can detect it. Artificial intelligence, or AI, basically means a computer's artificial brain. Just like a small child learns slowly, by being fed, talked to, and taken to new places, computers also learn by being given data. The more data they receive, the more they learn. Now let's talk a little about technology. With regular technology, we use software like Microsoft Word or PowerPoint. No matter how many documents, reports, or assignments we create in Word, the software stays the same. It won't magically develop new abilities on its own, but AI works differently. For example, traffic cameras on the road keep collecting massive amounts of data. The more data AI gets, the better it becomes. So here's the big question. Today, everyone uses technology: Instagram, WhatsApp, Facebook, YouTube. So doesn't that mean AI is getting tons of data? Could it eventually become even smarter than humans? Let's pause here and talk about the two types of AI. 1. General AI. 2. Narrow AI. General AI refers to artificial intelligence that can do many different tasks, just like humans. Humans can cook, eat, sing, dance, read, write, so many things. Narrow AI, on the other hand, is designed to do only one specific task. For example, Tesla cars are trained using US road data. So if you take the same car to Indian roads, its performance won't be as good, simply because it wasn't trained on that kind of data. Right now, we do not have general AI. We only have narrow AI, which industries use for specific tasks. This shows us that humans might have less computational power, but we can do many different things. Meanwhile, AI has huge computational power, but can only perform the specific task it was trained for. For example, if a hospital creates software that analyzes medical scans and predicts the chances of cancer, that software can only do that one job. But doctors can do so much more alongside that. And that's the difference between humans and artificially created intelligence. I hope today's video helped you understand AI a little better. If you want a video on any other topic, feel free to let me know. That's all for today. See you in the next video. And remember, keep learning and keep growing. And don't forget to subscribe and share this video with your best friend.